Your Android phone might be open to anything online, and that includes adult content you don't want to see or let others access. Most people leave it unfiltered without knowing there's an easy fix. Just a quick setting can make your phone safer for everyone. Let's block it right now. Method 1. First, open up the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap on Connections. Scroll down, tap More Connection Settings. Now tap Private DNS here. Select the private DNS provider hostname. Scroll down a little bit. Here type adult filter dns.cleanbrowsing.org. Then tap Save. Method 2. Open up the Chrome browser on your phone. After that, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Then type Privacy and Security. Scroll down, tap Safe Browsing. Select Enhanced Protection. Now go back again. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Use Secure DNS. Now select the Choose Another Provider option. Now tap on the down arrow next to Custom. Select the Clean Browsing Family Filter option. Now you won't see any adult content in the Chrome browser. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.